Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs watching a movie. And I just got a gift from my daughter Sarah. And that's what I got. Nice picture frame. Eagles. Let me open it up. Oh, that's nice. That's one. I guess you can hang it up too, but very nice. Definitely going over here somewhere. And she got me a Rubik's Cube, official Rubik's product keychain. Do 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 do. Ba da ba 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 ba. One thing about this cube is you can't take it off. I have another one where you can actually take it off. Oh, that is stiff. Rubik's Cube, man. Come on now. It says you can solve this. You can, but you gotta. Rubik's Cube be making some stiff ass products. And why wouldn't they put it on with something where you can take off, then you can solve it? Because it's not meant to be taken off, it's just meant to be like, even though you can solve it, I don't know if you, yeah, you would have to lube this. It's too stiff. I mean, it's really stiff. So, I'm not going to mess around with it. I'm just going to keep it as a keychain. And of course, it's going to be going up here. Take this one off. And have my robot carry keychain. Good for him. Now we have the keychain up there. Man, Rubik's makes all their stuff stiff. I got a keychain before. I got one. I forget exactly where I got it from, but you can actually turn it really good. You can take the keychain off of it, and you can actually use it. But thank you, Sarah. I wasn't complaining about your gift. I was complaining about the product itself. And this is what I got: Rubik's Pulse. So it'd be nice if you can adjust it. Like right now, I can adjust it. I can solve a cube in about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Consistently almost. I mean, sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. So if you can adjust it to 1 minute 30, that gives you a little pressure to try to do it under, 1 minute 30. But this is just, if it's just 1 minute, I don't think it's going to be that good. I think if you can adjust the time on it, it'd be okay. But when I saw the commercial, it was just 1 minute, so I'm not sure. I don't want to, you see how it's flashing? Comes with a instruction manual. Yeah, it just has 60 seconds. See that? I think that's kind of weird. So if you're, like I said, if I can solve a cube in 1 minute and 20 seconds, I would place it at 1 minute 20, the time, so I can try to beat that time. You know what I mean? But just 1 minute, that's a little gimmicky. Like I said, it's not. I'm not complaining because it's the thought that counts from Sarah. She got me something that I actually didn't have and maybe wanted, so that was nice. Comes in this little plastic thingy. Oh, the cube doesn't feel too bad. As you can see, it's just like all mirrored. So it's actually pretty cool. Definitely be something nice to display. Right now it's in, see, that's blue. I don't know if you can see that. And then that's white. That's kind of, I guess that's red. White, orange, yellow, green and then blue, yeah. So it lights up pretty nicely. I guess that's demo mode, I'm guessing. This tells you it blinks faster when you're getting down to that 60 seconds. Yeah, but if you can sell a cube under a minute, this wouldn't be worth anything to them, those people. So I think they missed the mark on this one. There it goes, it's about to go off. That's green on that side. There it's in, it shuts off under a minute. If you can adjust the time on this, I think this would be a great idea. So you don't have to worry about always looking at a timer. You just do it by the flashing light. Nice. And on the inside is just clear. I don't know if you can see it, especially while it's flashing like that. I'll try to show you when it's off. Should be going off soon. And it has the Rubik's. The internals are all clear in there. So look, I like the way it looks. I really do. So it's more, you know, a gimmicky type cube. But like I said, if they can, there was a place in here where you can go and actually adjust the time. Or if they can make the AI cubes like this one, they can make this one pulse like that one. It's a smart cube, so you can, if it can Bluetooth to the phone can give it a signal that says, hey, you're getting close to that time, and they can do, this thing can flash. If this thing turns, it's not that bright, but you can see it. Yeah. It's only shiny on the top though. They need to make it shiny on the bottom so you can see it. You can only see, you can see all four, and on the side you can only see the top. The bottom doesn't light up. So if they can shine it here, shine it all the way around. And then you can do that minute on this one, which I forget what brand that is. Oh, I'm not sure. So it's a little gimmicky, but I like that it's mirrored. I really do. I'm going to display this one. Nice. Yeah, a little gimmicky, but I like it. Thank you, Sarah. So I'm going to find a picture for that. I'll keep this just to make sure I have directions in case I want to look into a little bit more. So I got my keychain, which my B6 robot has, and I have the Rubik's Cube Pulse and my picture frame. So I got 3 things from Sarah. I appreciate it, Sarah. Thank you. And Merry Christmas to you. And Merry Christmas to everybody else. Tomorrow is Christmas. And tomorrow is also my 3rd wedding anniversary. I got married to Shelly 3 years ago on Christmas Day. And so happy anniversary to Shelly, my Shelly Boo. Love you. And that's it. That's all I have. So if you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
I saw Prince at the 2024 Grand Bout. Let's party hard, let's scream and shout. I saw Prince at the